Connecting your Trust wallet to PancakeSwap allows you to trade tokens and add liquidity to liquidity pools. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and set up Trust Wallet. If you haven't already, download and set up the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open PancakeSwap. Visit PancakeSwap in your mobile or desktop browser. Connect Trust Wallet. On PancakeSwap, click the Connect Wallet button located at the top right corner of the page. Select Trust Wallet. A list of available wallets will appear. Select Trust Wallet from the list. Authorize connection. Trust Wallet will open and prompt you to approve the connection to PancakeSwap. Click Connect to authorize. Choose network. If prompted, select the Binance Smart Chain network. Trust Wallet operates on this network to facilitate transactions on PancakeSwap. Access PancakeSwap features. Once connected, you can trade tokens, provide liquidity, stake or swap assets directly from PancakeSwap. Manage wallet. You can now easily view your wallet balance, transaction history, and manage your assets through the connected Trust Wallet.